The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. Imagine if you could reprogram your life, effortlessly steering yourself towards better health, increased productivity, and success. What if the secret to achieving these goals wasn't willpower but the power of habits? In The Power of Habit, Charles Duhigg dives deep into the mechanics of habits, the invisible routines that shape our everyday lives. This book is not just a study of habits, it's a roadmap for transformation. By understanding how habits work, Duhigg argues, anyone can harness them to create meaningful, lasting change. Through real-life stories and research, Duhigg reveals how habits are formed, why they are so powerful, and how they can be transformed to empower us. Ready to unlock the secret of habits? Let's take a journey into the mind and discover the science behind how habits can shape our lives. The habit loop, cue, routine, reward. At the core of the book is the habit loop, a three-step process that underlies every habit. Cue. This is the trigger that sets a habit in motion. It could be a location, time of day, or even an emotion. The cue signals your brain to enter automatic mode and perform a routine. Routine. The behavior or action itself, which could range from brushing your teeth to checking your phone. Routines are behaviors that follow a predictable pattern. Reward. After the routine, the brain receives a reward, a sense of satisfaction or relief. This reward reinforces the habit loop, making it more likely you'll repeat it in the future. Duhigg emphasizes that understanding this loop is the first step to mastering any habit. By identifying the cues and rewards that drive your routines, you gain control over the loops shaping your actions. Why habits are so powerful? Habits are powerful because they operate in the background, allowing our brains to save energy. Once a habit is formed, it requires minimal effort to repeat, freeing up cognitive resources for other tasks. However, this automatic nature can make both good and bad habits equally sticky. The trick lies in harnessing this power, transforming negative routines into positive ones through deliberate action. Duhigg illustrates this concept with the story of Alcoholics Anonymous, AAA program that has helped millions of people break free from destructive habits. Instead of eliminating the craving to drink, AA substitutes the habit loop by encouraging members to meet and share their struggles, replacing the routine of drinking with the routine of connection and support. This example demonstrates the power of habit substitution as a tool for overcoming deeply ingrained behaviors. Key takeaways and life lessons. Identify and change cues. If you struggle with a bad habit, start by identifying the cue that triggers it. Once you know what sets it off, you can plan a new routine to replace the old one. For instance, if stress triggers a habit of snacking on unhealthy foods, try substituting that routine with a short walk or a moment of deep breathing. Build keystone habits. Keystone habits are small, foundational changes that have a ripple effect across other areas of your life. Duhigg points out that developing a habit of regular exercise, for instance, often leads to improvements in productivity, mood, and even diet. By focusing on one powerful habit, you can create a domino effect, sparking positive changes in multiple areas. Focus on small wins. Big changes can feel overwhelming, but small wins build momentum and create the motivation needed to stick with a new habit. Small steps make success feel attainable. For instance, if your goal is to read more, commit to reading just 5 pages a day. These small wins add up, reinforcing the habit and keeping you on track. The golden rule of habit change. According to Duhigg, you can't simply erase a bad habit, instead, you must replace it with a healthier one. The golden rule of habit change is to keep the cue and reward the same while swapping out the routine. This approach is crucial in changing habits successfully because it taps into your brain's natural pattern-seeking process. Harness cravings for positive habits. Cravings play a key role in maintaining habits. For example, runners often crave the endorphin rush after a good run, which reinforces their routine. You can create positive cravings to reinforce good habits. If you want to build a habit of meditation, for example, focus on the feeling of calm and clarity that follows each session. Over time, your brain will crave this reward, helping solidify the habit. Transforming organizations with habits. The power of habits extends beyond individuals. They play a crucial role in shaping organizations as well. Duhigg discusses how companies like Starbucks and Alcoa use habits to drive organizational success. For instance, Starbucks trains employees to rely on latte routines to handle difficult customers with calmness and positivity. By turning helpful behaviors into habits, Starbucks enhances customer service and ensures a consistently positive experience. Alcoa, a manufacturing giant, focused on a keystone habit of safety. By improving safety practices, Alcoa witnessed dramatic improvements in productivity and employee morale. This demonstrates how even a single habit, if chosen wisely, can lead to transformational changes within an organization. Why understanding habits can change your life. Duhigg concludes by encouraging readers to take control of their habit loops and embrace the power to change. Understanding how habits work is like holding a map. You now have the power to navigate and rewrite your behavior. Instead of letting old patterns rule your life, you can consciously choose new routines that align with your goals. Whether you aim to eat healthier, improve productivity, or develop better relationships, building new habits is within reach. The power of habit shows that success is not a matter of willpower alone. By learning to decode your own habits, you unlock a world of possibilities. Change is challenging, but as Duhigg reminds us, habits make it possible to rewrite our routines and create a life that reflects our true potential. You don't have to be a slave to bad habits or rely solely on motivation to build good ones. With the right tools, you can transform habits into powerful allies, fueling your journey to a better, brighter future. So, the next time you face a challenge or desire a new routine, remember, it's all about the habit loop. Embrace the process, rewrite your patterns, and watch your life transform one habit at a time.